Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Chandra's Food Delights. Our today's recipe is jackfruit jam or jackfruit preserve, or we call it as chakkavarati. This is my favorite as a kid, and I always loved even till today. So I've got one varika chakka, cut it into two half, again cut it into small pieces. This varika variety of chakka is only used to prepare the jackfruit preserve. Here we have very less of jackfruit flesh and more of pods, but it's okay. It tastes like honey. I removed the flesh and kept the seeds and thrown away the pods. The seeds can be used for a later preparation. So I have cut it into smaller pieces and then kept it for boiling. Just one boil so that I can see how much water comes out of it. If sufficient water is there, we need not add water for cooking this flesh. So I did not add any water. I put it in the pressure cooker, closed the lid, pressure cooked for 2 to 3 whistles and see how it is cooked. If it is not cooked, we can cook it again. So here I have got this. It's cooked very well, perfectly well, and it did not stick to the bottom or burn. So we have got the perfect consistency to prepare the chakavarti. Our next job is the most important thing in preparing the chakavarti. Let's see how we are going to prepare it. I have got 1 kg of jaggery here. I've dissolved it in 150 ml of water in low heat. Just mix it together so that all the jaggery pieces gets dissolved. So this is what I got. I'm going to use 3/4 of this syrup, straining it so that if any stones or any particles are there, that is removed. How much jaggery we have to use, it depends on your taste and on the taste of the jackfruit flesh. So here I have used 750 grams of jaggery for 2 kg of jackfruit, since the jackfruit is already very sweet. So let's go on mixing it together or stirring it continuously so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the vessel. In low fire, we can continuously stir. Olden days, our grandmother used to prepare it in the bronze urli and in low firewood stove in low fire. So now the pressure cooker is there, the job is much easier. Here I have 200 ml of ghee, which is homemade. I like the aroma of the homemade ghee. So we are going to add this ghee to the jackfruit jam. I am adding 6 tablespoons of ghee. I like to use lot of ghee in this so that it is preserved well. We can preserve it for a longer time if we add more ghee, and other thing, it doesn't stick to the bottom of the vessel or burn from the sides. Let's continuously stir this jackfruit jam up to the proper consistency. We have almost got around 60 to 80% of its consistency. Let's continuously stir it, mix it together so that it becomes even more thicker and we can preserve it for longer time. Now it is coming to almost 90%. Let's go on stirring it, and to see the consistency, the final consistency, just take it in the spatula or a spoon. See that it doesn't fall from the spatula or spoon. It should be sticking onto the spatula. See, this is the perfect consistency, and you can store it in an airtight container for an year, and if you are going to refrigerate it, it may remain even for 2 years. So our very yummy tasty jackfruit jam or preserve or chakavarati is ready. I just love to have it, and it is so yummy. Keep it in an airtight container. Thank you friends for watching my videos. Please subscribe and share, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon for further notifications.